You tubulars and tubulans. Well, I disseminated the Mustang engine. First thing I did is put the bottom half back in and primed everything good, and 80 pounds oil pressure, no knock, no nothing. So then I dove into the head, pull the head off that one side that was leaking water on top of my head while I was under the car through the rings, and this is what I found. Look at that lovely greasy head. Now this is the one that was dripping water in my face when I was under it. And there's like a tail. Unless it's bad warped, this head gasket is fine. So that's a bad thing. And the head itself, this is the one in question. I don't see anything wrong with it besides the exhaust is a little bit deep in the seat. Talk about deep in the seat. Look at this exhaust. That sucker is going to Memphis. I would say there's no seat left in that one. It's seatless. I mean, it's sunk down in there. The rest of them not so bad. That's not a crack, that's a piece of crap. So, yeah, that's not a good thing. Let's go out here and I'll show you the coupe de grace. Operating bench. Okay. I don't reckon y'all can see this stuff, but I wished you could. I wonder if I could turn some light on the subject. Yeah, you can see a little bit of a cloud in there. The board's a little cloudy. It does show, look at me shake. It does show where water's been in there standing. But and it's 40 over, which to me that's a strange number, but anyway, let me put this torch down and maybe you can see this. Come here. Maybe now. These are just crap. And then right up here is a dead light. Is a ring. I wonder if you can see this. It's right up here. And you can hang your fingernail on it. It's not like these water circles. It is a crack. Now I'm no magnifluxer, but I can see a shadow of a crack right there. So she boosted. She's boosted. So that's not good. It's busted. You can play with the light and you can see two levels of stuff right there. But I never seen a small block Ford bust. But I never seen a Windsor stuck in a Mustang either. So, thought about it last night. And, you know, just something like that happens. So, it'll take an engine. Because I'm not going to sleeve this thing down. There's no telling what's been done to this engine. But, you know, it's one of them good old Craigslist deals. So, the weeping is over. Now it's time to move on forward. I think I'll cram this thing kind of back together with some bolts in it. And push it away. Push it away from me and get it out of the queue. Because Harold is in there patting his foot. And hopefully that today or tomorrow I can dig out my cherry picker back there, fall over, not me, and take the bolts out of this thing and get it up in the air so I can paint the underside. So I can see 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts in it, 4 out of 20. 5, 6, there's 6 in it that I can see, body bolts. So I'll chain it and strain it and get it in the air, and then I'll be happy maybe. So that's the way it is. I'm gonna put this up for all y'all to know that I found that. And these cast iron intakes are a mess, but I guess it's my mess. So that's the way that is. Beautiful, beautiful. And gee, I wish it was different, because this engine it pulled really hard when I drove it a little. Well, I just drove it a little bit. But that's the way the cookie crumbles. You just endeavor to persevere. And it's just, every problem is a opportunity for greatness. It would almost be as cheap to put this 428 in there. I'd kill myself with these 6 cylinders. But that's the grim reality. Grim real. But oh well. So I'm gonna say sorry not you to you. Oh, the neighbors' goats had a couple kids last night, so we're blessed with some more baby goats, which is cute as a button, and so that's a good thing. Something died and then something lives. So that's the order in which we were made. And I want you to tell you that I love you, and you know that. And y'all have a fun weekend. I plan on having a fun weekend. Okay, bye-bye. Is this a phone video? Try this one.